Thadu lenge ko kam sa thri lenge leya kyar do dongge lam ne inchi jongtab shebe le sinyi pa dina la thri lenge leya yangya dong chingi du study shu thri ki lenge la ngodu shu gi dongge ming de leya du sin Emily's Secrets Emily sidu samala phomu gi ming da secrets sidu samala ya sangwa sugre thun du Emily gi sangwa sugre en sham lenge Donang gi ani sikashi surdun chish number solang odu shuin embarrassed sidu sambalaya ngo sawam khaging wi sawalaya dus embarrassed sure ani budilaya secret sidu sambalaya sangwa laya secret chichung dusre sumbadilaya practice sidu sambalaya jongda susugi jongda che badalaya practice chichung du sin and shibadilaya huge sidu samalaya chimbulaya huge chichung du sre and shamlang dung de ma du slow chen lingi laya du ngodu shugin Emily is 8 years old. She lives in a big house. She has a huge room. She has many toys and she has lot of friends. Emily is 8 years old. Emily logere sure 8 years old. Logere is lana sure. She lives lana mora tigures in how they in a big house in Kambuchimbush na laya dus teores. She has a huge room sidu sambalaya mranlaya Kambuchimbo doham nes desa chimbuchore sure huge sidu sambal chimbu da room lana dus deha. She has many toys. She has lana mranlaya yores. Many toys sidu sambalaya many lana mangbuda toys lana ani alibeo sure. She has a lot of friends sidu sambalaya mranlaya thongmo mangbu shu shores. She has lana morala yores a lot of friends sidu sambalaya thongmo mangbu shush morala yores sure. But Emily is not happy. She has a secret. She doesn't want to tell anyone about her secret. She feels embarrassed. But ine sure Emily is not happy sidu sambalaya mora kibushra mares. Emily is not happy lana kibu yomares. She has a secret moralaya and sawachures. She has lana morala a secret sidu samalaya sawachis. Tundu molaya sawachures. She doesn't want to tell anyone's. Mo me dus mishamba suinele dus ta suhanle dus lamdu mabares. She doesn't want to tell la dus balalaberwa anyone lana in sukhanle mutus labdu mabres about her secret lana morangi sawa de kolas twindu moran sawa de kola me mission leya labdu mare sigure she feels embarrassed morang ngo chawam khaging bodus chore sure there is no one that can help her. Emily doesn't remember the letter of the alphabet. One day, Emily's teacher finds out. She sees that Emily can write on the board. There is no one that can help sidu samalaya muralaya robochiki sukhaya yomares. There is no one lana sukhaya yomares that can help her ladu samalaya help lana robarwa ken lana thubra har lana muran sur thundu muran la robochiki sukha dus yomares. Emily doesn't remember. Emily khaki thungo mares. The letter of alphabet lana ani dus letter lana yirwa alphabet sidu samalaya siji segure thundu ani muran ABC Z Purdue alphabet de Muratingo Maris. One day, Nimajilaya, Emily's teacher finds out, and Nimajilaya and Emily Genla finds out Lanan Hagoris. She sees that Emily can't write on the board. She sees Sidus Malaya, Moithondes, or a cup de laya Genla de Kidus Tombres and Cartombres Shuvena. Emily can't write. Emily can't write le dus samale Emily titu me bade and gen like tombrace. On the board dus samale na wangalas tundu na wangalaya Emily gi alphabet de titu me bade and gen like dus tombrace gure. She calls her after class and asks her to tell the truth. Emily says, "It is true, I don't know how to read and write." She calls her lana and can like Muralaya dus kedam beres. She calls lana kedam her lana mura after class December that's how we sugalas and asks her lana any Muralaya lubru dille Emily laya ke beres. To tell the truth lana any nguyune suitem bakayim bade dus Muralaya loves she dus labres. Emily says lana Emily gilabres. It is true, did embrace. I don't know singing mess. How to read lana kundis logore and write sidismala tiwarwa tundungi kundis logo yomeda kundis tigo yomedingi shingmes chijong dus Emily gi murangi genlalaya dus labres. The teacher listens to her. She wants to help Emily. She tell her, "That's okay, you can read and write if we practice together." The teacher listen to her sedusamlaya and can like any dus her lan moralarwa listen la nyabres kan the morangi kan lab de dus nyabres. She wants to help Emily lana any she lana kapdelia genla de sugure and genla de gani dus the Emily laya help robuchia ge once lana deva yores. She tells her sedusamlaya can like dus labres. She tells lan labarwa, "That's okay. Maris, you can read and write. Kirani dus read lana lobda writes dus abilityura can lana tubere tundukina loyada dus tia dinzu tlo dinzu dus tubres. If we can together kisses, we practice lana any we lana soda practice this malaya jonda together lana nyamdo tundungra nyamdo jonda chebena any kiran tia the loya tubres. So, Emily and her teacher meet every day after class. They practice together. Emily works hard. Now she knows how to read and write. So, Emily and her teacher Lana ni morang Emily da her teacher Sidisamlaya ni morangi gala meet Lana Tuba every day Sidisamala nindarish. After class Sidisamlaya ni dus tindas have shulas tune to Emily da morangi gala ni nindarish dus tindas have shugala dus tourists. They practice together Sidisamlaya krani de lana kunzo da practice lana jonda together lana nyamdu dus chores tune to krani nindarish ni nyamdu jonda chores. Emily work hard lana ni mora Emily ki work hard to do samlaya bezun zundi kalish gablaya work hard sigure work hard chires. Now she knows how to read and write. Now sidusamba handa she knows lana morangi shingures how to read kdes loyo me and lana thanda right sidusamlaya tiwa twin do thanda mora dusta kdes loyo me da kdes tigo yo me to mora shingures. Let's say Taring you don't do stop and linky since in Ambadilea to stunning taban to Chinans.